Hello guys and gals, Big T Fix It. Today we're going to show you how to clean and service your pool cartridge filter. This is a really simple process. It's going to save you money. Let's roll. Of course, this filter is not hooked up to the pool right now, so make sure you turn your pool pump off before you begin servicing it. Simply unscrew this nut right here. Just a little side note, these are made of fiberglass, or this particular one is, so if you have sensitive skin, just be aware that it can irritate your skin. This particular unit we salvaged from a house that was going to be demolished, and it's still in really good shape. Now these pleated filters are typically good for several years, but over time those pleats will start to tear and deteriorate. So eventually they will need to be replaced. But right now we're going to get our hose out and we're going to wash all the sediment out. So typically you'll want to get a paper towel and wipe all that extra grease off or excess, and just reapply new silicone grease or even petroleum jelly before you put your new ring back, or before you put your ring back on. That way you ensure that it gets a good seal. Well, guys and gals, as you can see, it's a really simple process. Just use your garden hose. You can clean your filter out yourself, save you time and money, and keep that pool nice and clean for these hot summer days. You got this. We'll see you next time.